Today we learn how to create curtain walls. Go in architecture mode, click on the wall. If you don't know how to create basic wall, you can watch my previous video. Let's go on our topic, curtain walls. Press escape. Let's go to second, exterior glazing. Press escape. Let's go to third one, storefront. Let's go and watch in 3D view. Constant. See, there are three type of curtain walls. First one is a plain wall. There is nothing. First one is plain wall. Second, you can see curtain grid is available, which is separating the curtain walls. And the third one, emulation is provided on curtain grid. You can see this is mullion. Mullion is provided on curtain grid. You can draw this curtain grid and mullion by yourself. Let's see how to draw this curtain grid and mullion. Click on grid, curtain grid. You can place as per your. Let's see, place here, 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 and here. You can place vertically, and now you can place horizontally also. Place here. This is how you can place curtain grid in the curtain wall. Now you can place mullion in this curtain wall. Let's see how to place mullion. Architecture mode, mullion. Click on the grid. This is how you can place mullion. If you want to place here, if you want to place here, you can place as per your project requirement. This is how you can place mullion. Suppose if you want to delete this curtain grid, you can delete also. Click here, remove, click on the grid line. You can remove this one. Okay. Suppose if you want to remove this mullion, you can remove this mullion also. Suppose you don't want to place mullion here, so click on this mullion and pin, just delete. This is how you can delete mullion. And now you can delete this curtain grid also. Press on the grid. This is how you can remove grid and mullion. Now you can also, if you don't want this curtain wall here in this box, you can remove this also. So click here, press tab to select the area, unpin this, go. If you want to remove totally, press empty. It will remove from here. Okay, this is how you can modify and remove. Next, we can create curve wall, curve curtain wall. Let's see how to create curve curtain wall. Let's click on this. First press here, second press here, and third as per your how much you want to place here. Go in 3D view. Let's see. This is how you can place the curve wall, curtain wall. If you want to replace or something, you can do also modify Suppose I don't want this mullion here, so I can delete, unpin this, press delete. And I don't want cotton grid also, remove, click on the line, let's see, it will be removed. In this way you can remove or add as per your project requirement. This is how you can draw cotton wall. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment me. Thank you for watching today's videos.